Today in this video we will learn about how to fix WHMCS Too Many Redirects SSL error. Too Many Redirects error looks like the screen shown below. This type of error usually appears due to internal redirection of the website. To avoid this error, make sure you have used HTTPS link everywhere. To eliminate the error, go to General Settings of the Setup section and then inside General section, write the URLs and click on Save Changes. Make sure you write the HTTPS URL at both of the places. Now click on Save Changes. Now log into cPanel and then go to File Manager. Inside public HTML, just check .htxs file. Now we need to check whether the redirection code of HTTPS is written properly or not. If error is still not solved, then check Cloudflare. In 90% of the cases, this issue happens because of Cloudflare. Go to the SSL section and switch off this option. Once you perform this step, you will definitely get rid of this problem.